Okay, so what we are going to do here is to start to turn this screen to look like this. Let me put side by side. Basically, we are turning this to this, and let's do it now. It's gonna be interesting build. Please, if you want to subscribe to the channel. If you want to like, but don't dislike. All right, let's go. So I'm turning this to that. Okay, we'll do the challenge. This is the original build, and this is what we want to build. Okay, so what I need, this is scrollable. You scroll up and down. So on React Native, I will import safe area view, and inside the safe area view, I'm gonna need to have a scroll view. All these are auto imported from React Native, as you can see. Oops, I don't want to import from React Native Web. I want to import from React Native. So I'm gonna import safe area view and scroll view, and we have those two, as you can see. And on the safe area view, I want it to take up the whole screen. So I'm gonna add some styles. Style equals, and I'm gonna give it a flex 1. Flex 1 does it makes it take the whole screen. And I'm gonna add a background color. Let's say white, and I'm gonna do that. And what I'm gonna do is, on this scroll view, I'm gonna give it a style, and I want the scroll to take up the whole screen, so I'll do flex 1. Yeah, and what I'll do next is to maybe add this image, this one. And before I do that, I want everything to be inside a view, so I'll do view. So everything else I'll add inside this view. And here I need a view where I'll add the image on it, the image component. So what we do is we say image, and this image has to be imported from React Native. And for every image, we need an image source. So we will do source require, and we put the directory where the image is located. So mine is inside assets / icon / wallet .jpg. Okay, so this is where our image is: assets, icons, wallet. And as we can see, the image is there, but it's very big, so we're gonna have to style it. We're gonna do style equals width 270, height 270. There is our image. But as you can see, the image is not aligned center, and we don't have space at the top. So what we will do is to then go inside the view, which has got the image, which is this one. Let me format this. Yeah, so the image is wrapped with this view, so we're gonna add some styling to this view so that we align it properly. So I'll do style equals, and then I call align items center. As you can see, now it's gone to the middle, and I will do justify content center, and I will do padding just to bring some padding at the top. So I'll do padding top, maybe 50. Yeah, just to bring a bit of space right here, as you can see there. What I will do next is to add text. So still inside this view, I'll add text here. I'll do text. As you can see, text is already imported from React Native. I'll do text, and the text will say welcome to Coinbase. There is our text, but we need to make it bold. So I'll go to text and add style and call some styles there. I'll maybe do font size of 20. Yeah, and then make it bold. Font weight do bold. Now it's bold, and I'll do, I think that's it for that. And we got another text there, so I'll do text, and the text is saying make your investments today. Make your investment today. Make your I don't need that. Okay, so we're gonna need to add some styling to this text. So I'll do style equals, and I call my styles. This one, maybe give it font is a bit small, so I'll give it font size of smaller than the top one, maybe 16. Let's see, 16, maybe 15. 15 looks better. And then I will give it font weight no, I don't need font weight, I just need normal. Yeah, I don't need font weight because I'm not making it bolder, so it was just normal text. And I need to do some spacing between these two texts, so I'll do padding top to this bottom text, and add a spacing, so maybe 10 or 15. I think 10 is fine. Yeah, we got that, and as you can see, we are starting to make it look similar. Yeah, we are getting there. What I will do next is to have a button. So for button in React Native, I'm gonna use something called touchable opacity. So what we are going to do is to this, as you can see right here, all this has been inside the view. This has been inside the view. What I need to do now is to create another view. I hope that makes sense. Is to create another view. So I'll create another view here. Still inside here, I'll create a view. So I'll do a view. So this view will be for holding our buttons. So in React Native, views are sort of like divs for web. When we're building websites for the browser, we use divs. So treat view as a div, and we style the div, but here we're styling the views. So we're gonna, inside this view, I want to have a touchable opacity, and I'm gonna auto import it from React Native. Yeah, there it is, auto imported, and I'm gonna have it like that. And inside the touchable opacity, I'll add text of what I want the text to say. Mine will say fund account, and there we have it. We have a button, fund account. As I click on it, you see what touchable opacity does. Basically, it makes it interactive. What I need to do next is to then add padding to this view so that there is a gap between this text and the button. So I'll just edit style there, and I'll do flex, no sorry, not flex, padding top, because we just want to separate this a bit. Padding top, and our padding top maybe can be 35. We'll see how it looks when we add a background to the button. So let me just style this touchable opacity style. For the touchable opacity, we are going to give it, for this one, let me just show you how we can use classes and call them with reference to the style sheet. Let me just take this style, and I'll just say styles oops, oh, it's not letting me, but I'll come back to that. Let me just create a const styles equals style sheet which we imported dot create, and we will do we'll call it maybe invest button, and I'll then call it styles here. So I will say here style equals styles dot now UX dot invest button. So now styles that I call here cannot find variable style sheet because I need to import style sheet because I'm using it there. So I'll do import style sheet, and should work. What I need to do now is to add background to this button. So I'll do background color, background color is hash 2150 F5. That should be blue. Yeah, there we have our blue there, and it's a bit squashed. Okay, let me just make the text white. So I'll come to my text and do style equals color white. Yeah, you see the text is now white. We can see what we're working with, and I'll do padding vertical 17, 18. Let me see. As you can see, we've added some padding vertical, so it's spaced out at the top and at the bottom. 18, but let me try to reduce it to 17. Padding horizontal is I'll do 100. Yeah, there is our button, looking cool. And we need a bit of roundness at the edges, at the corners. So for that, we will do border radius, which will be maybe 10. Maybe too round, maybe 8. Yeah, we're getting there. There we have, as you can see, we are using scroll view. It's scrollable in the screen. We can scroll. If we do not use scroll view, our view will be stuck, but we want to give ability to scroll. Yeah, so we are moving on. We are getting there.